Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to turn one itty bitty bar of soap that's been, hanging around at the back of the cupboard for God knows how long, just one bar of soap into a litre of liquid soap. So that, the stuff in the pump packs that everybody wants, everybody needs, everybody prefers to use other than the bar of soap. Okay, but if you're getting into the thing of wanting to cut down your plastics and you're thinking, oh, bar of soap, and then you're thinking, oh, the kids and all of that, this is going to save your lives. Trust me. Yeah. So if you want to see more videos like this, and, want to watch what's going on next, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in a minute over that side of the kitchen. Okay, so here we go. It's my brand new food processor, so it's the first time I get to use it. Yay! If you don't have a food processor, you can use a hand grater job for this. It's just that simple. Okay, so all you want to do is put your bar of soap there, have your plunger at the go, and oh, here we go. What are we doing? Why are we not? There we go. I prefer to have this on the smallest grater because it helps a lot. Okay, there we go. We've got that little bit at the top there still, but we're going back over the other side now. Okay, so all we have to do now is that little bit that didn't grate, I've just broken it up into little pieces. I'm going to pop that right in there. All of that, every little bit of it, straight in there. And then we just need a litre of boiling hot water. What you have to remember about soap, or bars of soap, is it all started off as liquid, and when it's made into a solid, it's because it's more condensed version of the liquid. So all we're doing is adding the fluid back. So what we need to do here, just mix this until all the soap particles are mixed through. Now it will take a few moments, over about 5 minutes of hand mixing. You could do it in the blender if you wanted to, if that's what you'd prefer to do. I'm quite happy to do it in the bowl, doesn't bother me. I know that you can get liquid soaps from places like Poundland and stuff like that, but you can also buy 4 bars of soap in Poundland for £1, which is 4 litres of liquid soap done in this way. So frankly, I know which one I'd prefer to do. But all you have to do, and it doesn't matter where you are, you can buy reusable pump packs for soap, or just save up your old ones from your old liquid soaps. Is that all done? Pretty sure that's all. Oh, is it there? Now that's got to be cooled now until it's absolutely cold, and it will slightly thicken when it comes to that point. Okay, so our liquid soap is now cool enough to pour through into our bottles. This is an old bottle that we've had, like a little pump pack ready to go. Might have overfilled that. We could be in trouble. Uh-oh. Just over here, it's fine. There we go. Right. Simples. And we just put the top back on. Now this might be too watery for you. That's fine. Just add another bar of soap. Okay, if you want it thicker, add another bar of soap or half the liquid, one or the other. either way, you've still got quite a lot of liquid soap for much cheaper than you would normally buy it for. Let's just get this all out there. Now for us that's fine. Okay, and the rest we can just pour into here and keep it as a refill. Hang on, keep it to refill a little bottle. There we go. Let's get that stuff off the bottom of the bowl. So it all goes in. Yoink. And tiny more bit left. Whether that's might end up being bubbled over. Right. Okay, that's probably enough in that one, to be honest. Again, we're gonna have to do this over the bowl. Whee! Okay, there we go. Right, because we need to leave room for the stopper at the top, obviously, because you know, otherwise it's going to pour everywhere. Now I buy these by the hundreds on eBay. It doesn't cost a lot, you just need to look up wine corks. Seriously, that's all they are, is wine corks. Right, where's my rolling pin? Here it is. There we go. Done. Sorted. And one more something or other to put the last of that little bit in. What have we got? Not a lot. Need to find something to put it in. Okay, this will do. I've just got a little old container for whatever's, and this can then be used for emergency soap for whatever reason. Okay. Alright. Pour that straight in there and we're done. So we've got a pump pack, 750 litre bottle, or 700 litre bottle, and a little bit left over. And now that's cost us all of about 25p. So I think personally we're all good. Now this works with most types of soap. Most types of soap. It doesn't work so well with glycerin based soap, but you can give it a crack. We might give it a crack at some point if I ever get any. So yeah, all right. Whew. Okay, so if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, chuck us a subscribe if you would like to see more things like this, and see the other things that I come up with on my channel. More than welcome. So yeah, I will see you guys later on, and let's find some more things that we can save some money on, hey? Okay, see you later. Bye.